Jeez Louise, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and expressive phrase in the English language, Jeez Louise. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or in a conversation, this phrase catches the ear. Let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Jeez Louise is an exclamation used to express surprise, annoyance, or exasperation. It's a way to show a strong emotional response without resorting to offensive language. It's similar to saying, "Oh my," or "wow," but with a bit more personality. The phrase, Jeez Louise, is believed to have originated in American English. Jeez is a minced oath, a way to avoid saying Jesus in vain, which some people consider disrespectful. Adding Louise makes it rhyme and adds a playful element. It's been a part of American slang since at least the mid-20th century. You can use Jeez Louise when something takes you by surprise, or you need to express frustration without being rude. For example, Jeez Louise, that test was harder than I thought. Jeez Louise, can you believe how much traffic there is today? There are many variations of the phrase, such as cheese and rice, or Jiminy Cricket. These phrases serve the same purpose but can add a bit of variety or humor to your expression. I hope you found this exploration of Jeez Louise enlightening and entertaining. It's a quirky part of the English language that you can now use with confidence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.